Today I'm going to show you how to play Mississippi Queen by Mountain. This is a huge power chord song. It was actually, it's a Mountain song, but it's actually written by the bass player. But to me, the song is all Leslie West's loud, screaming guitar, and his voice is just louder than life. They were a loud, powerful rock band. He used lots of loud E chords and big chords, and I once talked to a sound man that told me, he said that Leslie West and Mountain had the loudest on stage volume he'd ever seen. He didn't even know how they could do it. It was so loud up there on stage. But anyway, that's how they are. The song was actually written by Felix Populardi, the bass player in the band at the time. Something I never knew until recently. But anyway, to start with, it has this intro. And what that is you put your third finger on the 7th fret on the E string here. From there, you put it on the A string on the 5th fret, and then you lay it down on the D string on the 5th fret. Then you hit this E note here on the A string on the 7th fret. And he really puts a lot of hate in his guitar. I don't know. It just sounds mean when the way he plays it. Then it slides from an A into a B chord. And then when you have this B chord, you hit the E string here and the D string, and you skip over the A. You just lift your pinky up. You make a bar chord and you lift your pinky up. And when you pick that, you got to skip over the A string. Then it slides up to a G chord, and that powers into an A. Same formation there. You hit the E string, skip over the A string, and hit the D string on the 7th fret. And then it goes into this real heavy D to E slide with an open E string. Real powerful, really loud. And it's got an open E string for the first little side riff. Here you go. Okay, and the way you play that is you start out with a D chord here. Put your first finger on the 5th fret of the A string, your 3rd finger down here on the 7th fret of the D string, and then your pinky down here on the G string, which is on the 7th fret. And you slide up to an E chord. But when you do that, you want to hit this open E string. That's how you get that real loud noise in there. And then slide back. And then up here, you hit the E string again, and then you hit your 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the A string. Then you do this. Then you do it one more. You do it again. But instead of making an E chord down here, you make an E chord up here, and then you hit an open E string again. open E string, hammer on with your second finger on the 3rd fret. Then you take your first finger, and on the 2nd fret of the D string, you're going to hit this E here. So you go. From there, you go to a G that slides into an A chord. Just like in the intro. You're going to hit the E string and the D string, you're going to skip over the A. And you're going to keep that chord, and you're just going to lift your pinky and set it back down. And you go back into the D, sliding into the E. Then you're going to go from there, you're going to go from the A chord, slide into the B, just like the intro. Bar chord. Back up to the G, sliding into the A. And then from that, after you do this, you just hit this E note here, and really, and you do this like in the intro, where you hit this B note on the E string. That's it. 7th fret on the E string. You put your first finger on the 5th fret on the A and the D, and then you take your 3rd finger and put it on the 7th fret of the A string. So it goes, it ends like this. So there's a lot of leading, a lot of riffing that goes on. It's probably best played for a two guitar player band. Actually, I've heard some people play it where one guy's trying to do the leads over the chords, and it sounds a little, I don't know. It's not busy enough. It doesn't have enough power. The chords are so powerful. If they're not going on in the background, I think the song loses some of its like impact. But anyway, that's that song. It's really fun song to play. My band plays it. I just want to turn everything up all the way. When it comes on the radio in my car, I want to turn it up. It's just a loud song. It's only 2 minutes and 30 seconds long, but it's just one of those songs. That's what makes Leslie West made him such a great guitar player. You know, he was louder than life, they always used to say. So anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, or suggestions, leave them in the comments section, and we'll see what we can do. All right, thank you. You have a great day.